In this video, we are discussing formwork removal time period for various concrete structures. First one is vertical formwork to column, wall and beams. For OPC it is 16 to 24 hours and other than OPC is also is 16 to 24 hours. The next one is soffit formwork to slab. That is for OPC is 3 days and other than OPC is 7 days. The next is soffit formwork to beams. That is for OPC is 7 days, other than OPC is 10 days. For the soffit formwork, props should be refixed immediately after removal of the formwork. The next one is props to slab. First case is spanning up to 4.5 meter. For OPC is 7 days and other than OPC is 10 days. The next case is spanning above 4 meter. For OPC is 14 days and other than OPC is also 14 days. The next one is props to beams and arches. The first case is spanning up to 6 meter. For OPC it is 14 days and other than OPC is also 14 days. The next one is spanning above 6 meter. It is for OPC is 21 days and other than OPC is also 21 days.